All right, let's try this brown trout thing out. Do I know if there's any brown trout here? Not really. I have no idea. But we are here to find out today. It's been a long time since I've done any trout salmon fishing. I've been busy looking for, you know, walleyes, crappies, mainly walleyes. So we're gonna see if we can catch one. I don't know if they're here. The water looks dirty. It also looks very calm. So I'm hoping they're here. I don't know if they are. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. I sure hope they're here because I have no idea where else to go. This looks like a nice platform to fish. Oh, freaking bird. You got my line, dude. Jeez. Oh, I got one. I actually got a fish. I got a fish. Let's go, dude. Oh, snap. He hammered it. Oh, I just got a fish. Let's go. What the heck? I think it's a brown too. Oh my God, that's so cool. Whoa. Did you guys see that? I'm just like bored out of my mind. Like, whatever. Ain't gonna be fish here. Now how the heck did I land it? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Look at that, guys. No BS. Look at that. Freaking crushed it. Back hook too. Oh my gosh, please stay on. That is so cool. I need to get my net. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Hey, you know what? No net. I'm gonna have to go down there and get them because I'm about to go down there and get them. Oh, that was so cool. I think he was gonna hit it. I was like bored out of my mind, just casting randomly, and I felt like a thump. And I was like, what the hell is that? And I like paused and I retrieved it again, and dude just clobbered it. Wow. All right, let's see how we're gonna do this, guys. I did not think they were gonna be here, but they're here. Oh my gosh. I don't know how we're gonna do this. What the heck? Oh my God, this is so sketchy. Dude, this is so sketchy. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's digging me. It's digging me. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Over there, I guess. Hold on, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, jeez. Here we go. That's a nice buck, too. How are we gonna land you? Question is, how are we gonna bring you out? Wow, look at that. First brown trout of the season. Let's see. What's a good landing spot? I gotta find a good landing spot. Maybe right over here. That was so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at him go. Dude like ripped the rod right out of my hand too. Look at him. Wow, that's so cool. It's okay if he pops off. It's an easy release. On the Jenko JerkBait, guys. Wow, my battery okay? Oh my God, I got 3% left. Let me hurry up. Let me hurry up. Right, here we go. Relax, 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 buddy. Don't do that. Don't do that. I got him hooked pretty good. I don't want to get hooked. That's the thing. Yeah. There we go. That is a beautiful brown trout. Wow. Let's get him all hooked. Let's get him out of here. Whoa, that's so cool. Caught me a nice brown. He's just chilling in the net right now, and I'm gonna let it heal up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna let it go. Woo! Jeez. Here you go, boys. That is a nice brown trout right there. I can't get him in a good angle because that's a nice brown right there. A little small buck. We're gonna go ahead and get a good release on it. So thank you for fighting, and let's do it again, hopefully. Come on, get you out here. Here we go. Woo! That was crazy. I think it's ready. You ready, buddy? Just let him go. Oh, there he goes. See ya. Bam! Let's go, and it's off. That was cool. He just came out and wrecked me. Oh, gosh. That was freaking hard work, man.